Uncle said counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I see 9 children in all. Ishan said, sighs. That's all right. Then, come on, Isha Nisha, Bubbly Pupply, Gotu Chotu, Ricky Vicky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? This is too much. The 9th child is missing again. What a naughty child. The other children start giggling. Oh no! What shall I do? I am the oldest. Everyone will scold me, and I don't even know who is missing. Didi walks in. Didi said, hello, everybody. Coming back home? Let's go together. Ishan said, Didi, there's a problem. One of us is missing. First we were 9, now we are only 8. Didi said, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But you are 9. No one is missing. Ishan said, so that naughty child has come back again. When I count, this naughty child runs away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See. Didi said, yes, I see. And I also see one more child who forgets to count himself. Ishan said, oh no, laughs. How silly of me. Everyone laughs.